Hey everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with a new Walmart freebie that just came out today. It's a really great deal. Yeah, it's a really great deal. So, I do want to mention, this is not the only Walmart video I have done this week. There are so many other Walmart deals you need to just go out there and do, because there are crazy deals right now at Walmart. So if you click the little log in the top right corner, it will direct you to the other Walmart videos I've done recently. There's so much clearance and just really good deals. You've got to check it out. So check out those other Walmart videos that are in that little eye, or they'll be on the end screen of this video. So this morning, we got this really epic new Ibotta rebate for $1.98 back on Forto coffee shots. Now, we've gotten this quite a few times already, but yeah, it's awesome. And you actually can do it twice, so I got it back twice. So here's the breakdown. You just snag 2 of them for $1.98. Submit for that $1.98 rebate times 2, and it makes 2 of them totally free. So that is insane. Totally free. If you're trying to hit Ibotta rebates, getting these for free is just great. You're working towards your bonus. Totally free. And you know what? If you can't use this, I'm sure there's someone you know who can use it, or you can donate it. It's a great item, and for totally free, you can't beat it. So, yeah, I do want to mention Running Kimono. Thank you to her. I saw her post this on Instagram. I'm sure every one of you know who she is, but thank you to her for posting this on Instagram. I do just want to put out a mention. If I know many of you have said you don't use the rebate apps. If you don't use them, I would really encourage you to start using them. You're missing out on a lot of awesome deals with the rebate apps. Oh my gosh, I probably get half my deals from these rebate apps. So I would definitely recommend, if you haven't already, go ahead and sign up. But if you wouldn't mind, please use my referral codes, because they help both of us out in the end by using these codes. So first up is Ibotta. Ibotta is such a great app. You totally should use it. It's the best one in my opinion. Because they just have so many different offers, and you can use coupons and just all that awesomeness with it. So, all you need to do is use my referral code. It is AYJJJR. And you'll end up getting, I believe it is $10. You'll get back $10 when you do, when you sign up with that code. I believe you have to redeem a rebate first. Yeah, you got to redeem a rebate first, and you'll get back an extra $10. So yeah, that is insane. So do that. And then Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is another great one. You just get points back for buying items. It's really simple. You scan your receipt, they give you back points, and sometimes they run special offers. You can get lots of gift cards with it. Fetch is another one. So use my code. It is C1PNA. Yeah, it is a really great deal, and check out these other Walmart videos, because there are so many other deals. This isn't it. I just wanted to put this out there because I talked about the other deals earlier in the week, so I don't really see the point to go back over them again. So, yeah, check out these other videos if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching.